guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee Dee with Dee Dee Loves Beauty, and I am just coming here with my first ever hair review that I'm doing on this hair that I have been rocking for a very long time. I just decided to go ahead and do a video on this hair. It is from a company called Lavished Hair Collection, and they have an Instagram and a website if you want to check it out. So I'm just going to be giving you guys all the details and kind of let you know how I feel about the hair and if I think it is something that you guys would like to go and purchase. I definitely like it. It is my favorite hair. This is the only hair that I've been wearing. So out there in the YouTube world, if you do have some hair out there that you think is really good, please leave me a comment down in the comment section so that I can check out some of those if anybody has some hair that they want me to review. Also, my email is always in the description box and you can email me for anything like that. But again, this hair is from Lavished Hair Collection, and I just want to come in and let you guys know how I like it. Also, if you please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button if you like this video, and if you would like to see me do more hair reviews here on YouTube, I will definitely try and get some of those done, maybe some hair tutorials, anything like that. Just let me know and I will get those videos out to you as soon as possible. In particular, I've actually had this hair for about it's definitely been over 6 months. It is still going strong. It is still soft. I don't have any tangles. It's very easy to curl. When I do curl my hair, the curls hold really well. I usually curl my hair with a curling wand on Sunday, and I usually last throughout the entire week without having to touch it up any. So with this hair, let me go ahead and get my notes. This hair is a Malaysian body wave texture, and I ended up getting a 12-inch closure, a 12-inch body wave, and then 2 bundles of the 14-inch body wave. Just to let you know kind of what it looks like as far as the length and the front and the back. I am 5'4", so you can see what it looks like on me. So this is me standing up. It actually comes to here standing up, so it is fairly long on me, just enough. And I'll go ahead and turn around. So you can see it comes in a natural color. I will insert some videos of what the hair looked like when I first got it in. It was very bouncy. The bundles themselves have a lot of hair on them, so they're not skimpy. It didn't have any smell or anything like that. The texture was extremely soft, and like I said, I have had this hair for over 6 months and the hair is still soft. I've washed it several times, washed and conditioned. I've also co-washed it when I didn't feel like washing and conditioning. I do use hairspray on it sometimes when I do curl it. Oh, the hair. So the company Lavished Hair Collection, they do have a Instagram page. Like I said, I'll insert their name at the bottom. They also have a website that you can go look at the hair. They have Malaysian. They also have different textures available as well. They have closures, bundles, and then they also have frontals. Now, I have not tried a frontal before. I'm just not ready for that. But this is what it looks like. And then once you get it in, again, I'll insert a video of the hair itself, but it comes banded, and then it also comes in the plastic bag as well. The hair does not tangle. It does not shed. Of course, once you wash it and stuff like that with the natural combing. I wish I would have had a video of, because I actually just washed this hair, so this is fresh washing, and then I just quickly went in with one curled and one curled my hair. And again, it doesn't get the knots or anything like that I've had in hair in the past. When it's hot outside and it's wet, it does kind of wave up at the back, but only thing you have to do is take a paddle brush or a comb, and then it just combs right out. It's not one of those things where you have to really fight with it or anything like that. So it's really good. Again, the color, it's not a jet black color, it's just a natural color. Okay, this hair, I did actually put some color in it. I did when I first got the hair, and I made the unit because this is a unit. When I did first get it, I did wear it just in its regular color. So I'll also update it with some pictures of me wearing it in the beginning. and you can see what it looks like then. And I did have it curled in one curls. I always wear my hair in one curls for some reason. I don't know, I just like the way bigger hair looks on me instead of it being straight. And then also oh, back to what I was saying, so I did actually go ahead and color the hair. Well, I had somebody color it for me, but they just used a 30 and a 40 developer, and then they also used the bleach to do it. And so they just used the foil, dyed the hair, and had it processed, I guess, at different variants at different times, and then they took it off. So this is the hair that I came up with. So it's just bleached. It is not a certain type of dye or anything that we put on. It's just bleached, and then different sections were left on longer than others. So this is the hair that I got, and so it's kind of blended. I like it. If you can see, let me try and come up some so you can see. So you can really see the hair texture a little bit better now, and the color. And let me just turn it around. So you can see it a lot better now that I am up close. But you can still see, guys, to say that this hair is, it's really probably close to a year old. But it is still going strong. So this company is very, they get the products out to you quickly. It's not one of those companies where you have to wait a long time to get your hair. It came to me fairly quickly, I think within about a week. It's not a hair company from AliExpress, so I know people like to know that ahead of time. So it's not AliExpress, it's just a company that I found. If you do check out their Instagram page, you will see some pictures of me with the hair on, but this is not a sponsored video. It's not my company, but I do just really like the hair, and so I thought, why not come on here and make a video about it and give a review about it. What else? Let's see. Again, it's body wave, but it can be straightened, bone straight, if that's the look that you like to go with. I have not worn it straight. Again, I don't usually wear it that straight. However, once the curls do kind of start to fall out, like 5 days or something like that later, then it does get to be a bit straighter, and I do like it that way. But again, I really like this hair. The prices, guys, this hair, the prices are really good. To say the quality of this hair, I really think it is underpriced. I really think it could be priced more. It is kind of, I would just say, it is very, very affordable. Check out the website. The prices are on the website if you want to see how much they cost. I know that the company ran specials for Christmas and then Black Friday as well. I don't know if they're going to have New Year's Day sales, but if they do, I'm going to go ahead and try and get this video edited and uploaded quickly so you guys will be able to take part in that if you want to. It's very soft. To say that it's almost a year old, it is still going strong. I really like it. It is just kind of layered just slightly, so you can see the layers here in the hair. I did not use all 3 of the bundles, and I don't really think I needed to use all 3 of the bundles. I used probably about 2.5, and then I used the closure. The closure has a lot of parting space, as you can see, and it goes all the way back. So I do like that, that you have more of the closure space here. I also will be inserting a picture of the hair when I first got it, because I didn't really do a long lengthy video of the hair, but what you will see when I insert the picture somewhere here, you'll see the closure, and then you see the 3 bundles next to them. The bundles are very thick. They have a lot of hair in it, so it's not one of those ones that come very skimpy. It comes with a lot of hair. The hair is very shiny, it's very soft. It does not have any foreign smell to it. It's really gorgeous, great quality hair. And again, it's affordable, so you can't beat it. So anyway, enough of the rambling. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was very short, but I just want to come on here and give you a review of the hair. Again, this is my first hair review, so if you guys have any questions that I may not have answered in the video, just ask the question in the comments below and I will answer them. And if I do remember anything when I'm editing this video, I will add it to the description box. But again, this is the hair. I really like it, even though it's almost been probably a year. I mean, it's still going strong. It still looks good to me. It still feels great. It still holds a curl after washing and conditioning and doing all that stuff to it. So I really, really like it. Also, this makeup look that I did, unfortunately I did not record this because I don't know if a lot of people like to see the makeup looks that I did, that I usually do. But this is the look. This is actually the lip that I'm wearing. It is by Morphe and it is Nibble is the liquid lipstick, and I just picked this up from Ulta. I really like it. It is like a kind of like a burnt color with just a little bit of red in it. And then for my eyeshadow look, I use the box of crayons eyeshadow palette, and I used it, which colors did I use in here? Oh, I used these two on the side. So I used orange and magenta, and then I also used the brown and the black. So those were the colors that I used. And then I did add a little bit of shimmer on top, but not much else. I pretty much used this. And then of course my face, I just used the foundation routine that I uploaded before this video. So if you were interested in how I typically do my face, then please go ahead and go back and watch that video. I also put it in the description box as well if you want to check that out. I didn't do anything different. I used all the same products. So if you were interested in that look, again, go watch that video. So again, thank you for watching this video. If you did click on to watch it, go check out the hair for yourself. Again, check out the website, check out the Instagram page if you're interested. I have any coupon codes or anything like that, because again, this is not a sponsored video. I just really like the hair and I decided to make a video about it. But I hope you like it if you do get the hair as well. Again, if you have any other suggestions of hair that you think I should try or companies that I could work with, let me know and I'll get some more of these hair review videos out for you guys. But thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.